Kemcho Gujarat. My name is Shreepalsinh Jadeja. I am the director of the Kiya Products Private Limited. We are showcasing our newly launched product INX40 over here. And this is our CNC Hybrid Grinder. It is with ID and OD with combination. So both axes are independent. This machine is equipped with a glass scale and flagging probe on the both axes. This machine is useful in gears industries, automotive industries, and general engineering, where grinding is required in single setup, where OD, ID, and phase this machine can do together.